Back to the Audi RS3, the long-awaited video. This Audi RS3 is now fully built up, running forged rods, forged pistons, hybrid turbocharger. The build can actually support about 1000 bhp, easy. Oh wow, that sounds amazing. Wow. Yes people, today we are back on the Audi RS3. It's been a while since I filmed a video for YouTube, 2 months to be exact. And yeah, I guess it's been a very, very busy one here at Boost Performance and Sterling Motor Group, my car sales company. But anyway, more about that in a bit. In the last video, you saw that we started this beast up for the very first time. Let's pop the hood, let's have a look. Here is a 2.5 litre TFSI beast, fully forged now with forged pistons, forged rods, and of course upgraded turbo, upgraded injectors, and all the bits that came with the car already. Carbon fiber intake and whatnot. We're going to be pushing for about 800 to 850 bhp. Looking very, very forward to it. Now you guys are probably thinking, I started the car 2 months ago, where have I been? So where have we been for the last 2 months? In that 2 months, we had of course Ramadan, and after that, I've just been very busy building the business and maintaining it. But one of the most exciting things I've done in that time, and I'm very, very excited to announce to you guys, on your right is a dyno jet from USA, and we have now got this fully installed. I'm so excited to share the news with this because, man, this is crazy. This is crazy. I never was going to get a dyno. Here in this workshop, we had 4,500 square feet. If you look around, there's absolutely no space. And I just never imagined myself being able to put a dyno in. And obviously for emissions and all that stuff. But then a dyno jet could perfectly fit in this area. We were actually going to put a ramp here. And I guess that kind of blocked my vision of putting a dyno here. But then I thought to myself, a dyno versus a ramp. So we all know where we're going with this. This is a dyno jet from USA. I'm very, very excited to have this here, let alone let you guys know we have one. If you guys don't know, this is one of the best dynos in the world. Most dynos, or a lot of dynos, have power restrictions. They go up to like 900 brake, 1200, 1400 brake. This dyno is rated at unlimited horsepower. You heard that right, unlimited. And why did I get a dyno jet? The reason for that is because we are Boost Performance. We do a lot of crazy stuff here. Not only do we tune cars, we build cars, we forge engines, including the Audi RS3 right behind you, the one that I forged for this project. And of course, without a doubt, that is yet to go onto the ramp. Here we have a beautiful BMW M3 F80 strapped up to the dyno. I'm actually filming this for YouTube as well. So this came in running very rough, it's misfiring, had loads of issues. And of course, we at Boost Performance, we got it running right. It's running perfectly now. And the story behind this, it was claimed to be running 670 brake from another tuner. However, you're gonna have to watch the video to see what it really ran on our dyno, on a dyno jet, and then what we're gonna tune it to. Anyway, enough of the dyno, let's move on back to the Hulk. So yeah man, back to the Audi RS3, the long-awaited video. You guys wanna see this car more than anything, I know, for sure, and I do as well. I've actually kept this car parked up, gathering dust, because I thought, I don't wanna drive it around when I need to film the first drive for YouTube. I'm loyal like that, so yeah man. Let's start this beast up, let's go. Let's run it out. There you have it, running beautifully. Look at that. This Audi RS3 is now fully built up by us at Boost Performance. It's running forged rods, forged pistons, hybrid turbocharger. Yep, I noticed that. It's got a bit of a gap, that needs to get sorted out. But yeah man, this car is ready for the streets. I've built this car to run around 800 brake to 850 brake. The turbocharger is an 870X TC, and that can more than support that. And to be fair, the build can actually support about 1000 bhp, easy. So I've done the forged rods and the pistons, I didn't leave that out. Not to forget, I've done the valves as well. I've done the inlet valves and the exhaust valves. Yeah man, let's hit the shutters, let's drive out, and let's see how this car drives. Let's go hit the streets. So guys, we made it, man. The Audi RS3, the Hulk, is officially on the road, getting driven for the very first time. We've got lots more episodes to come. I'm very, very excited on this journey and to share it with you guys as well. The idle is perfectly fine. No engine lights whatsoever. Running very, very good. Idling sweet. What's gonna happen? A disaster. I wonder, innit? So as you guys know, this is a fresh build. Therefore, I cannot go into boost until the engine is bedded in. And as you know, with these forged pistons, it doesn't take much. It's about 20, 30, 40, 50 miles I'd give it before I actually go for full boost and tune the car. Usually with manufacturer, Audi, Volkswagen, or dealer, when you buy a brand new car, they tell you to break it in for about 800 to 1,000 miles. Not these kind of pistons, they're fine, they're good for it. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it easy, do about 30, 40 miles. I've just noticed from the back of the car, it's smoking very heavily from the back of the car. Not to worry, because when we were stripping this car down, we saw the turbo had a lot of oil on it. So we know that majority of the oil is sitting in the exhaust system right now. And because of that, you're obviously seeing a lot of smoke blowing out from the back of the car. It's definitely looking worrying because it's a brand new build and it could be something wrong, isn't it? From the engine maybe, piston rings you'd think, but no man, we built the engine, boost performance, we got this man, we know exactly what we're doing. This is definitely the turbo. So what should happen eventually is, after a little while of driving, that will burn off from the exhaust. It's just oil from before, so not to worry. Car sounds amazing though, and look, this car's a bit lower, so the bumps are definitely getting felt. I just put the car into sports mode. Let's hear the crackle and pops. Oh wow, it sounds amazing. You can hear a lot of squeaky sounds. That's the ceramic brakes. Whoa. But before I go and I end this video, I'm going to give you guys a bonus footage from the dyno with the M3 F80 strapped on. Enjoy it, because it's going to be sick.